Hello dear friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, how to categorize save posts. Stay with me until the end of the video. So let's go for setting. Okay, step 1, open Instagram, and step 2, open your account, and step 3, open memo account, and click save it. How you use Instagram. Click the save it, okay? Click save. For example, I'll post cars, baby, and uh, next uh, collection name. Home. Yes, add. Easy. And my collection saved. Okay. For example, in list 3, I search home and click the post and save. Very easy. Home, cars, baby. Click the home. Very easy. And for example, search cars. Save my cars collection. Easy. Please like the video and subscribe the channel Tech on Tech.